Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we've got an exciting new product for you Bronco enthusiasts, our new custom Bronco scuff plates. The 66 to 77 Broncos did not come with factory scuff plates, and getting in and out of the vehicle would wear and scratch the paint on the rocker panel. Dennis Carpenter has solved that problem with our new custom scuff plates for these classic Broncos. Molded from black plastic with the Bronco script and bucking Bronco molded in the center, they come in two versions to fit any style you're looking for. One is all black, and the other has a chrome-plated script and Bronco for a little extra shine and detail. Installing them is super easy with a peel and stick adhesive that mounts directly over your existing rocker panel. So if you're looking to add a custom touch to your Bronco project that will set it apart from the crowd, Dennis Carpenter has just what you're looking for with our new custom scuff plates. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.